Good morning, student. This is Satprakash, and we are going to study about the chapter uh, chapter first speed. Okay. So in this chapter, we have studied a lot of topics such that distance, types of motion. Okay. You know very well what is motion. Motion means when any object change its position with respect to time. That is known as motion is performed by the object. Okay, and difference between distance and displacement you know very well. So today we will read about the speed. Speed can be defined as when any object perform motion. So we can say that the distance traveled by the object per unit time, this is known as speed of the object. It is given as ratio of the distance traveled and time taken. Okay, suppose that, let us an example. uh, any car any car covers 25 kilometer in 1 hour. So we can say that the speed of the car is 25 kilometer per hour. Okay, and sorry, suppose that if any object travels s distance in time t second, then speed of the object is given as v equal to s upon t, where s is a distance of the path, and t is the time taken. Okay, what is the SI unit of speed? SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, meter per second. And let us suppose an example. Suppose a car travels a distance of 200 km in 4 hours. Then speed of a car is given. As we know that v equal to s upon t. Here s is given 200 km, and time is given 4 hour. So when we solve these ratio of distance and time, then we get 50 kilometer per hour. Then we can say the speed of the object is 50 kilometer per hour. It means the car covers 50 kilometer in 1 hour. I hope you have understand this numerical. Now look at there are different units. uh, First one is meter per second. You can write m upon s or ms minus 1. Okay, small unit are centimeter per second or centimeter inverse, and larger unit is kilometer per hour or kilometer h inverse. Okay, since it has only magnitude, it means there is only magnitude. It not included the directions. That's why it is a scalar quantity. So you can say that scalar quantity are those quantity which can have only magnitude, not direction. Okay, the devices which used to measure the speed are uh, uh, devices used to measure the speed is speedometer, which is measures it in kilometer per hour. Okay, next one, the device which is used to measure the distance, which is odometer. Okay, this is also measures the distance in kilometer. Okay, now let us see the types of speed. Okay, there are two types of speed. First one uniform speed, and second one is a non-uniform speed. Okay, what do you mean by uniform speed? Whenever any object covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Okay, equal distances in equal interval of time. Suppose that any object perform motion and it covers 5 meter in 1 second, and again 5 meter in next 1 second. It means in 2 second. Okay, let us see 5 meter in 1 second, next 5 meter, it means it will be total 10 meter in 2 second, 1 second, 2 second, and 15 meter in 3 second, and 20 meter in 4 second. So here is the difference between both is 1 second. Here is also difference is 1 second, and now here you can see also difference, time difference is 1 second. It means we can say the time interval is uniform. And let us see the difference between the distance. 5 meter, here is also 5 meter, and here is also 5 meter. So we can say when any object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, this is known as uniform speed of the object. Example of this is when motion of a needle of the watch. Okay, now look at the second type of motion, non-uniform motion. Okay, whenever any object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, it means जब कोई ऑब्जेक्ट एक निश्चित एक समान समय अंतरालों में असमान डिस्टेंस को कवर करता है तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, डेट इज नोन एज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म speed. Okay, suppose that example of barking of a child, barking of a child, running of a child, any vehicle moving in the market. Okay, these are the example of non-uniform speed. Okay, I hope you have clear these both topic. First one is speed, what is speed and what is the type of speed. Okay, in next topic we will study about the average speed. What do you mean by average speed? Okay, whenever you see that there are different barriers on the roadside, or suppose that there is market, public place, or any damage of road, then we have to take different speeds at different roads. In this case there is no constant, there is no remains constant speed, there is a variation in the speed. So we take here average speed. What is the average speed? Average speed can be defined as the total distance covered by the object in total time. It means how much time taken to complete his journey. This is known as average speed. It can be given as okay, let us see the example. A sprinter can have a speed of about 10 meter per second, and a cheetah can have a speed up to 27 meter per second. It means there are different speed at different times. What we when plus all the distance and divide it total time taken by it, then we get the average speed of that object. So this is the average speed. Okay, and its unit is same as a speed. Okay, note down it. Thank you very much.